Hi guys, it's lovely to have you back. So today's video will be a simple everyday makeup routine. Well, not everyday for me, but could be an everyday for you, because this is the look I usually run to whenever I do my makeup. And so this is the final look, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. Okay, so first, before I start doing my makeup, I usually like to prime my lips, if that's a thing. And my favorite primer is this Vaseline. I just put a little bit onto my lips so that by the time I start to do my lipstick, everything will be good to go. Next, I use a primer for my face, and that is quite easy because I just go with this Maybelline Baby Skin primer. You'll have realized that I've already done my eyebrows, but that's because I don't know how to do my eyebrows at all. Second is I would take ages to even do them on camera, so I hope you guys understand. And yeah. So next is foundation, and this is a new foundation I've been trying from Maybelline, which I actually really like because it matches my skin during the winter, since in winter my face actually gets a bit light, like a shade or two lighter, yeah, before it goes back to the sun and restores factory settings. So it's the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation for normal to oily skin. And actually, you know what, this foundation is quite impressive because I've only used like roughly a pump and I still have some on my hand, so this is quite impressive. And since I tend to have a dark part of the mouth, I just use a concealer, which is just that's it. It doesn't make much of a difference, but it looks better than I do without. It's quite a nice concealer, and I just use this blending, what is it called? A sponge, blending sponge. Yeah. And yeah, so everything is in, and then next is obviously just my eyeshadow, and this is an eyeshadow palette by Revolution. They're quite decent shades, which I actually really like. And do you know what, I got this palette for £4 from Superdrug, and the reason it was £4 is because one of it was broken, so I was just like, someone could have broken another one and I would have probably gotten a buy one get one free. Anyway, I'm such a chipstick. So that's my eyes in the end. Not too bad actually. I don't know what you guys think. And then I'll try and put another more neutral color, which that is quite ideal, and basically just dab it into my eyes again and dab. But that's because I usually go back with a shimmery shade. Because next off is my usual Naked palette. I actually like this palette. It has some pretty decent shades. I'm sure by now most of you are just like, this is too much, but it does have some pretty decent shades. So my brush as usual, and I'll just take a brown shade because it's more natural looking, like it has like a natural glow, which is quite good for an everyday look. If you're going for an everyday look, you guys should let me know what you think. Is it a W or an L? Am I winning or am I just losing in this game? I have to do a mascara, obviously. But I have to use this vanity mirror that I pretty much love because of its color. Imagine that's it. So to finish off the look, I'll go with a setting spray, because funny enough I set my face before I go with my lipstick. But anyway, so I'll just set my face. That's about it. And lipstick, let me do this mathematics and then I'll tell you which one works. For me, actually, that's quite ideal if I'm not going anywhere, or like if I'm not going anywhere fancy, to be precise. I don't mind that, but I'll dab a little bit of this shade. Just to give it a nice blend. So it has like a nudish brown finish to it. So that's the final look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the simple makeup look from me, who is actually a beginner as well. And I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you liked this video, you know what to do. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!